家大家想知道咧，葡萄牙咧啲道路咧係點樣起嘅咧？就係咁樣起嘅啦。你睇下佢將啲爛嘅石頭整起咗。咁呢啲係新嘅，啱啱起完咗嘅，呢1、2個禮拜鋪上去嘅新石頭。你聽到叮叮聲，睇咧全尼斯本最靚嘅山。無敵樓宇嘅景色，漂亮啊！一嚟睇日落咧就最正，樓下咧有個啲花園就係。咁咧嗰度有個咖啡室，你可以飲嘢嚇。如果冇咁大風嘅話，可以去享受一杯美酒，就睇住個景色。依家一個遊客都冇。依家係個超級靚景飲嘢。日落嘅樣景色。Are you excited about your food?
Yeah.
The first time? First time going out for a restaurant, huh? Not really. Is it the first time? It's not the first time, is it? Ewan, is it the first time you go out to a restaurant?
Not really.
Not really. Can you show me your new mask, please? Handsome boy.
You're welcome.
So my drink is like
With almond milk, it's not so, how can I say, so good because
Maybe soya milk. Is that possible?
it's more or less the same.
How cool is this?
Very
I
cool.
love this. It's a great design.
Daddy, there was a problem.
Oh, what, sorry?
Hang on.
There's still some more in there, but you've got to...
Can you just careful hold it? Yeah.
It's not easy being a boss sometimes and doing that.
No, but the thing... 第一次飲 soya latte 喺葡萄牙，大部分都係飲 espresso 嘅，因為我唔飲奶，好多地方都冇 soya milk。Now,
What's that?
after talking to Karina, you are allowed.
Well,
You are allowed.
I'm giving it a bit longer just in case things work out. You never know.
She told me to teach her how to take photo of herself to put online.
There you go.
So that's scrambled egg with bacon. Yummy.
Wow, thank you. What's your
Lillian, can you not do that?
What are you doing?
Darling, just use box and knife.
Knife and fork.
It's amazing.
Yeah, it really does. Oh, it's amazing food.